This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That is a 10 by 20 inch canvas with some mead and black paint that I've maybe spread a little too thin in places, but it does not matter right now because I am going to try and make a somewhat easy seeming swipe. Let's see if I'm right. So, I'll make a few loops. Just because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link, on the link tree underneath Show More. That is Mayan Gold. This is Twilight Orchid. A gorgeous color. I'm going to be using my pink diamond. And Cerulean Blue, all Prizm pour colors and all available with a 20% off coupon that you can find underneath the video. Now, I could imagine that I need more colors, and maybe I do. So let's think about this for a moment. I think I don't need a moment. I'm going to use the blue velvet. I know I'm going to want orange because that's just the way I am. But right now I love the way that looks. So maybe just a tiny bit of Neptune's Gaze. If it'll come out. There we go. My paint pouring recipes are underneath Show More in the body of the description. If I want more colors, I can always add them. I kind of like this. I could be pretty happy with that if I didn't do anything to it at all. So I'll back off for a second so maybe I can take a picture. Now what I meant to do was grab a dish to put cell activator in. I'm not sure I can do exactly what I want to do. I really think one of these days I'm going to make up some pink cell activator. So if I want to go this way, I need to put my activator on. Oh, and that is not coming out very quickly at all. You know what? I'm just going to use what I put in there. Well, maybe I will and maybe I won't. Looks like it's a lot slower moving than I thought it was going to be. And I like that. And do I have a scrape dish? I do. I can always use my colors on the edge. I'll do the exact opposite I just did there. I'll pick up my black and put some white on. Come on, stop sticking. Needs to not stick. I'm going to go do the same exact thing. Am I? Yes, I'm going to put the white on first. That does not look like it's selling, which is really weird because paint is there. But it doesn't mean that I'm not going to try something else. Try some white. Because I can. And where's my skewer? Just a simple, yeah, I like that. Just a few flourishes. Well, I'm not I'm kind of sad the colors aren't there, but I still like what I have. And chances are good that they're going to keep coming up too. Definitely just need a big enough puddle to float your paint on. I want some of that to go the other direction. I think I want to take a straw. And see if I can expose some colors, because I bet I can. Just keep adding spirals. It's a simple design, but it's kind of classic. If there is such a thing as classic pouring, outside of Dutch pours, which has to be classic because there's so many of them. I want something here, and I've got a little cell activator. This might just be really fast. Let's see if I can make it do anything. Now, I definitely talked about adding orange, but I haven't really come to the conclusion that I must. Just sort of dragging a few tendrils down. If I was going to add any orange, I think it, well, I don't know. I guess I just don't feel like I need it. This is bugging me here a little bit, so I'm thinking that I need to give myself a little bit. Yeah, that's it. That's kind of cool. It's really simple. Do I want any waggles? Do I want anything? Kind of like it, just like it is. Should I put another swipe up that corner? Maybe just a little color. Just fake it. Just a little bit. Now we have something sort of even. Maybe it was better uneven. I'm not sure. Let me know. Let me know what you think. I'm going to put a little bit of deep amethyst right there. I'm still thinking. I'm thinking about stuff like pink carnation. I'm thinking about potential dots. I don't think pink carnation's it. If I were going to do something, it would be silver or maybe more cerulean blue. Kind of like that. Maybe a little gold. That sounds like a good idea to me. Yeah, I like the gold. Oh, maybe not exactly where I just got it, but I do like the gold. Even though it does keep dripping on me. Oh yeah, definitely. Just a little tiny bit of a highlight. Oh, I'm liking that. Oh yeah, that's outstanding. Definitely good. So they're not on any particular sides. And I know I mentioned the Prizm pour. I want some up here too. Right next to the purple. And if I need some more, I can just go for it. just nudge it into place very carefully with the pointy end, being very careful indeed. What else? I think everything else. I'm not sure about there. Maybe I should leave that and that alone. Maybe that is enough. Maybe it doesn't need to be fully inundated with gold. Just a few gold lines. Alright, so I'm going to try and shimmer that at you. And that is still, for me, a pretty simple concept. Oh, and some gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Love, love, love that Twilight Orchid in there. That's awesome. And that Cerulean blue is to die for. There's just no doubt about it. And my Rogue Gold cell is kind of okay. Let's knock that purple right over there. Let's do a zoom in and tell you guys I have over 2,400 videos, and if you'd like to visit any of them, they're on playlists. And if you go to my channel, you'll find them by going to playlists, all playlists, created playlists, or asking me because I have them organized by topic and genre. That's really cool from up here. I love those cells, and those cells, and those cells, and those cells. And we're going to zoom in so you can have a look at them closer, hopefully. Keyword being hopefully. That color, oh, I wish you could see that color. That Twilight Orchid with the Cerulean blue and a little bit of Neptune's gaze. Woo! I see this little thing that does not belong. If you really want to move paint, move it with the dull end of the skewer. So what can I tell you? Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. I really appreciate your thumbs up. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Do I need more spirals? I might need one more with the dull end of the skewer. Right there. Okay, I lied. Two more. And I have one over here that just needs a little more definition. Cool. I think so anyway. There. I'm all spiraled out. I love you guys. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Really, really appreciate those of you who are still keeping a hand in. There may be a drawing again someday, but there isn't yet right now. There's 15-minute free consultation if you are someone who makes a donation. And you'll receive my phone number if you do happen to do that. Look on the link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Look below the video for spring clothing. Legallerist is on the link tree, along with Society 6. If you are inclined to be somebody who shops at all, I have beautiful things. And you would be helping me out along the same lines as if you shop my Amazon link. It's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. You can find the Mead and Black paint there, the OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula. Ooh, pretty. Yeah, wow. Ha! What else can I tell you? I do sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you'd like to inquire, my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I will be torching to try and look for any bubbles that might be there, or popping them with a skewer. Oh, I saw a couple already. So that's just different and cool. And it's along the lines of some other things that I've done. And I'll check in the side light, but I think I've told you pretty much everything I can, other than thanks again for all the love you give me, and I appreciate you keeping my morale boosted. And thank you for subscribing, and welcome if you're new. And I'm so happy that you're here, and I hope you know that I post 7 days a week at noon Eastern Standard Time. I might put a little more gold in there, but I also kind of like the texture of that And you shouldn't be poking around at stuff after you torch. Yeah, do what I say, don't do what I do. Right. So what am I missing? Spring clothing below the video. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see something that you've seen in a video become a decoration on Spring or The Gallerist or Society 6 or FineArtAmerica.pixels.com, just ask and I'll see if I can add it there. Also, my Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will take you to some of those links that you can also find in the link tree. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Fans and Collectors, which I should pay attention to and fill the albums more with more artwork. There's a lot of older YouTube video artwork there. My community board will show you tomorrow's video, and I think that's pretty much everything I need to tell you, other than I totally love you and I'm really happy I added that gold at the end. Bye for now. Priscilla out.